From Forex Traders Daily, this is your daily analysis with Ross Mullins, live from Richmond, Virginia.
Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for September 29, 2017. Today we're going to be taking a look at the USDJPY, the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. For today's trade analysis, we're starting here on the daily time frame. I've zoomed way out so we can see some history for this currency pair. You look back basically to January of 2017, the vertical red line on the left-hand side of the chart. There's a blue box in the middle of the chart delineating basically a range, a trend range that this currency pair has been in for the entire year of 2017. The blue box shows resistance at the top, support at the bottom. I have a little red trend line at the top of the blue box along the resistance highs that have basically again been for 2017. And you can see that currently we're up there challenging that red trend line, challenging the top of the range. Let me zoom in a little bit so maybe it'll make it easier to see. There's the current market up here, challenging very close, not all the way yet there, but very close to the red trend line and the trend for the year. The question of the day and the week and maybe the month will be, are we going to see the break of that trend, the break of the pattern, and continue higher, or is it going to find resistance and fall back down here for the dollar yen? Of course, U.S. news will likely be part of that, and some risk aversion or risk appetite will be part of that, but at least at this point, the trend has been up, and we're challenging the current trend. The black trend line has been up, and we're challenging that long-term 2017 trend line, the red trend line at the top. Let's zoom it in one more time here. Over the past few days, we started to recognize in the live trade room a pattern setting up here on the current uptrend. Of course, I put these little black boxes here to represent that uptrend pattern. We started to see them move up, went into congestion, broke out. We went into a little bit of congestion here, the smaller black box just above the 100 period moving average. Then it went up again right above this green zone, this little bit of a bigger black box here, went into some congestion support, broke out, and now we're in that same pattern, aren't we, where we see it in congestion here, finding support at the blue zone, looking for the challenge of the orange zone again. And of course, as I mentioned, if it breaks the orange zone, maybe we look for another surge higher for the dollar yen. Forex Black Book is green. That gives us some uptrend bias. Let's take it down to the 4-hour time frame and start looking at that pattern again. You can see the black boxes here, the congestion breakout, congestion support, green zone, break the blue zone. Now we're sitting at the blue zone. So for the past couple of days, I've been looking for buying opportunities on dips into the blue zone. 112.45, 112.20 is the blue shaded area. In fact, yesterday we did take a buy there. We saw some profit as it came back up to the blue or purple shaded area, 112.70. From the 50 to the 70 level, we had over 20 pips of profit. And the trade manager that we use in the trade room took us out at break even as it came back, and that's what that little red arrow represents. The buy at 12.45 closed back out at 12.45 as the market came back down. So once again, I think this is still an area to watch. I think as long as it stays above the blue zone, the black trend line, we're looking for it to go back up. Purple zone, orange zone, or on the way up. The risk, and the risk is pretty clear, the risk is the market changes its mind, breaks down through 12.20, and starts going back lower down towards the green shade area. So for the day today, especially if we get some positive news at 8:30 a.m. Eastern U.S. time for the U.S., we're going to continue looking for buy opportunities. 112.45, target the purple zone, of course, as your first resistance, not too far away though, but then the orange zone or higher if we get a significantly positive move for the U.S. dollar on the U.S. yen.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.